Hey guys, welcome back to Bike Update, your go-to source for the latest in two-wheelers. Today, we're diving into the highly anticipated 2025 Aprilia RS 457, a machine that bridges performance and accessibility in the sport bike segment. Introduction to the RS 457. The Aprilia RS 457 is designed to redefine the lightweight sport bike category. It takes inspiration from the flagship RS V4 while being tailored for new riders and enthusiasts seeking an affordable yet capable bike. With its sleek design and advanced technology, it aims to dominate both the streets and the track. Engine and performance. At the heart of the RS 457cc parallel twin engine, delivering an impressive 47 horsepower, this makes it an at-wall size and friendly motorcycle, ideal for beginners in markets like Europe. The engine is paired with a 6-speed gearbox and features a slip-and-assist clutch, ensuring smooth gear transitions even during aggressive riding. Chassis and handling. The RS 457 boasts a lightweight aluminum frame, which contributes to its agility and precise handling. With a curb weight of just 175 kg, it's one of the lightest bikes in its class. The bike is equipped with upside-down front forks and a preload adjustable rear monoshock, offering a balanced ride whether you're corner carving or cruising on highways. Technology and features. Aprilia has packed the RS 457 with advanced features, including a fully digital TFT display, 3 riding modes, and switchable traction control. The bike also comes with dual-channel ABS, ensuring safety during hard braking. These features set it apart in the competitive lightweight sport bike segment. Design and aesthetics. The RS 457 carries the unmistakable Aprilia DNA, with sharp lines, aerodynamic fairings, and a sleek LED lighting system. Available in vibrant color schemes, it appeals to younger riders and those who value style alongside performance. Conclusion. The 2025 Aprilia RS 457 is more than just a sport bike. It's a statement. By combining Italian design, cutting-edge technology, and accessible performance, Aprilia has created a bike that caters to a wide range of riders. Whether you're a novice or a seasoned rider, the RS 457 offers an experience that's hard to match. Thanks for tuning in to Bike Update. Stay subscribed for more reviews and updates on the latest bikes hitting the streets. Ride safe and see you next time.